While you read this disclaimer, please like, comment, and subscribe. Love your support helps us create more relaxing yoga videos. Thank you. Goddess pose. Stand wide, turn your feet outward, and bend your knees. Lower your hips, open your chest, and hold the pose steadily. Start on all fours and round your spine upward. Draw your belly in, lower your head, and relax your neck. Cow pose. From all fours, gently arch your back, lift your chest, and look forward. Relax your shoulders and take a smooth breath. Puppy pose. Start on all fours, walk your hands forward, and lower your chest toward the floor. Keep your hips above your knees. Low cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place your palms beneath your shoulders, and gently lift your chest. Keep your elbows bent and shoulders relaxed. Fish pose. Lie on your back, place your hands beneath your hips, and gently lift your chest. Rest on your elbows, tilt your head back slightly, and breathe slowly. Wind relieving pose. Lie on your back and draw one knee toward your chest. Hold it gently, relax your belly, and breathe slowly. Reclining butterfly pose. Lie on your back. Bring your feet together and let your knees gently fall outward. Relax your hips and breathe slowly. Seated eagle arms stretch. Sit comfortably, cross your arms in front, and bring your palms together. Relax your shoulders and gently reach your fingers upward. Seated neck stretch. Sit tall, lower one ear toward your shoulder, and gently lengthen your neck. Keep the shoulder relaxed and breathe calmly. Lengthen your spine and gently turn your torso to one side. Place one hand behind you and the other on your knee. Standing side stretch. Stand tall, raise both arms and interlace your fingers. Gently lean to one side while keeping your body long. Standing quad stretch. Balance on one leg, bend the other behind you, and hold your foot. Draw your heel toward your hips and keep your torso upright. Standing calf stretch. Step one foot back and press its heel into the floor. Bend your front knee slightly while keeping the back leg straight. Star pose. Stand with your feet wide apart and extend your arms and legs outward. Open your shoulders, reach upward, and breathe slowly. Horse pose. Stand with your feet wide, turn your toes outward, and bend your knees deeply. Lower your hips, keep your back straight, and breathe slowly.